what should we do that what was the new thing that we should do in order to make like ano yung parang kulang again na damag ko dito kini sa Apo Mayor ini. Ano yung kulang to make people understand the importance of autonomy?
It's an old issue actually. Unada nga, it has to be laymanized. It has to be dapat ikarawat tayo kanang giti tattao na mabalbalin kat we dialogue with them in the vernacular, in the dialect.
Yeah.
Tano agsasao dagiti campaign iti micropono, naka loudspeaker, English pay, naka kurbata da pay, naka barong da pay. Yung kasla nga we're not communicating the way we should in the Cordillera.
Yeah.
So iti nga min kat we attempted with the traditional way of communication, tungtungan.
Tungan.
No adati kakat dagiti speakers ti agad just iti tattao.
Panda makistorya.
Ita kami ti apan ijay. We can meet under the mango tree. Dapat ijay consultation under dapat patayan tree. Kaslaks jay. Under ijay sirok-sirok ti balbalay. Jay. But time has changed. There was even a time nga we met with the elders in an ato or in the Dapay. Jay. Tatakot, I don't know. Siguro the younger people would strategize to kasano da nga ibaga.
So it's really up to the youth.
DJ kumakakat well-defined kumati kahit da nga ibaga. Well-defined meaning anya titis mga bayadan tayo ti national agbayad tayo pati taksaya. Kuno saan nga anya nga ti masagrap tayo nga pag nanamayan tayo kuno saan nga benefits tayo no autonomy tayo. Ada ayati kasano nga dagiti mayor, kasano nga dagiti national government offices, ada pala ti DSWD nga ta, ada pala ti DNR, kas jay.
Ada tingin kuan ni Apo Mayor Dumugan nga yung nagkwentuhan din kami. I have these conditions, but then the thing there is I don't know if national government will approve of it, or the Congress for that matter will approve of it. Kasi parang asking if I'm going to, for the lack of a better word, parang it's asking too much. But then ang reason niya is because the Constitution itself is amenable that parang napabayaan nila ang ating region. So as a way of parang reparations, kumbaga, these are the conditions, which is it's a very good one, and I myself is curious to see it work. The problem is parang mahirap
basta timay nga i-explain ko hantayo nga sa maisina iti national government.
Yeah.
DJ ko matimay nga maaman ti tawo nga hantayo nga suminaw no maisina. Sa grapon tayo pala we are still under the national government. We still receive programs and even funding from the national government. And we still have our own peacekeeping, like we still have our national police, we still have tingnan min pagsasalitan da idi apay baka agbaling nga CPLA ti peacekeeping force tayo. Apay nag-adal da kita. Apay amuda ti investigation da kita. This time we still have our armed forces and then the different service group like Navy, Army, kita, Police, Coast Guard.
El Maestro Speaks Podcast.